Question 1. Which type of cell division is responsible for growth and repair in multicellular organisms? A. Meiosis. B. Binary fission. C. Mitosis. D. Fragmentation. The correct answer is C. Mitosis. Question 2. The main function of red blood cells is to A. Fight infection. B. Carry oxygen. C. Digest food. D. Produce hormones. The correct answer is B. Carry oxygen. Question 3. Which tissue connects muscles to bones? A. Ligament. B. Cartilage. C. Tendon. D. Areolar tissue. The correct answer is C. Tendon. Question 4. The process by which green plants prepare their food is called A. Respiration. B. Transpiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Excretion. The correct answer is C. Photosynthesis. Question 5. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is B. Oxygen. Question 6. The functional unit of kidney is called A. Neuron. B. Nephron. C. Alveolus. D. Willis. The correct answer is B. Nephron. Question 7. Which part of the human brain controls balance and posture? A. Cerebrum. B. Medulla. C. Cerebellum. D. Hypothalamus. The correct answer is C. Cerebellum. Question 8. Which blood cells are responsible for blood clotting? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. The correct answer is C. Platelets. Question 9. The movement of water from roots to leaves occurs through A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Cortex. D. Cambium. The correct answer is B. Xylem. Question 10. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin K. The correct answer is D. Vitamin K. Question 11. Which organ is mainly responsible for detoxification in humans? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Lung. D. Pancreas. The correct answer is B. Liver. Question 12. Which type of respiration occurs in yeast? A. Aerobic. B. Anaerobic. C. Photosynthetic. D. Cutaneous. The correct answer is B. Anaerobic. Question 13. The small finger-like projections in the small intestine are called A. Alveoli, B. Nephrons, C. Villi, D. Bronchi. The correct answer is C. Villi. Question 14. Which component of blood transports digested food? A. RBC, B. WBC, C. Platelets, D. Plasma. The correct answer is D. Plasma. Question 15. Which part of the plant is responsible for transpiration? A. Roots, B. Stem, C. Flowers, D. Leaves. The correct answer is D. Leaves. Question 16. The process of removal of metabolic waste from the body is called A. Respiration, B. Circulation, C. Excretion, D. Digestion. The correct answer is C. Excretion. Question 17. Which microorganism is used in the preparation of curd? A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Protozoa, D. Algae. The correct answer is A. Bacteria. Question 18. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? A. Scurvy, B. Rickets, C. Beriberi, D. Night blindness. The correct answer is B. Rickets. Question 19. Which type of nutrition is found in fungi? A. Autotrophic, B. Holozoic, C. Saprotrophic, D. Parasitic. The correct answer is C. Saprotrophic. Question 20. The breathing rate increases during exercise because A. More oxygen is needed, B. Lungs become smaller, C. Heart stops beating, D. Less carbon dioxide is produced. The correct answer is A. More oxygen is needed. Question 21. Which organ in humans produces bile juice? A. Pancreas, B. Gallbladder, C. Liver, D. Stomach. The correct answer is C. Liver. Question 22. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering it? A. Retina, B. Cornea, C. Iris, D. Optic nerve. The correct answer is C. Iris. Question 23. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A, B, B, C, AB, D, O. The correct answer is D, O. Question 24. The network of nerves spread throughout the body is called A. Endocrine system, B. Muscular system, C. Nervous system, D. Digestive system. The correct answer is C. Nervous system. Question 25. Which process in plants leads to loss of water vapor? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Transpiration. D. Excretion. The correct answer is C. Transpiration. Question 26. Which structure helps fish to breathe in water? A. Lungs. B. Trachea. C. Gills. D. Skin. The correct answer is C. Gills. Question 27. Which type of joint allows movement in all directions? A. Hinge joint. B. Pivot joint. C. Ball and socket joint. D. Fixed joint. The correct answer is C. Ball and socket joint. Question 28. Which component of food is mainly responsible for growth and repair? A. Carbohydrates. B. Fats. C. Proteins. D. Vitamins. The correct answer is C. Proteins. Question 29. Which disease is caused by a virus? A. Tuberculosis. B. Malaria. C. Measles. D. Typhoid. The correct answer is C. Measles. Question 30. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level in humans? A. Thyroxine. B. Insulin. C. Adrenaline. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is B. Insulin. Question 31. Which part of the plant absorbs water and minerals from the soil? A. Stem. B. Leaves. C. Roots. D. Flowers. The correct answer is C. Roots. Question 32. Which process converts glucose into energy in cells? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Transpiration. D. Digestion. The correct answer is B. Respiration. Question 33. Which microorganism causes malaria? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Protozoa. D. Fungi. The correct answer is C. Protozoa. Question 34. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Lungs. B. Heart. C. Kidney. D. Brain. The correct answer is B. Heart. Question 35. Which type of teeth are used for tearing food? A. Incisors. B. Canines. C. Premolars. D. Molars. The correct answer is B. Canines. Question 36. Which system in humans controls hormones? A. Nervous system. B. Digestive system. C. Endocrine system. D. Circulatory system. The correct answer is C. Endocrine system. Question 37. Which part of the cell controls all its activities? A. Cytoplasm. B. Mitochondria. C. Nucleus. D. Ribosome. The correct answer is C. Nucleus. Question 38. Which vitamin helps in maintaining healthy eyesight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is A. Vitamin A. Question 39. Which plant tissue transports prepared food? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Cambium. D. Cortex. The correct answer is B. Phloem. Question 40. Which type of reproduction involves only one parent? A. Sexual reproduction. B. Asexual reproduction. C. Pollination. D. Fertilization. The correct answer is B. Asexual reproduction. Question 41. Which organ is affected by hepatitis? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Lung. The correct answer is C. Liver. Question 42. Which gas is taken in during respiration? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is B. Oxygen. Question 43. Which process removes excess water from plants? A. Photosynthesis. B. Transpiration. C. Respiration. D. Excretion. The correct answer is B. Transpiration. Question 44. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. D. Golgi body. The correct answer is C. Mitochondria. Question 45. Which disease is caused due to lack of iodine? A. Goiter. B. Rickets. C. Scurvy. D. Anemia. The correct answer is A. Goiter. Question 46. Which organ helps in hearing and maintaining balance? A. Eye. B. Nose. C. Ear. D. Tongue. The correct answer is C. Ear. Question 47. Which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? A. Vein. B. Artery. C. Capillary. D. Ventricle. The correct answer is B. Artery. Question 48. Which microorganism is commonly used in baking bread? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Yeast. D. Algae. The correct answer is C. Yeast. Question 49. Which system helps in transport of nutrients and gases in humans? A. Respiratory system. B. Digestive system. C. Circulatory system. D. Excretory system. The correct answer is C. Circulatory system. Question 50. Which part of the digestive system absorbs nutrients? A. Stomach. B. Large intestine. C. Small intestine. D. Esophagus. The correct answer is C. Small intestine. Question 51. Which plant hormone is responsible for growth in length? A. Auxin. B. Gibberellin. C. Cytokinin. D. Ethylene. The correct answer is A. Auxin. Question 52. Which structure protects the brain? A. Skull. B. Ribs. C. Vertebral column. D. Pelvis. The correct answer is A. Skull. Question 53. Which disease spreads through contaminated water? A. Tuberculosis. B. Cholera. C. Measles. D. Influenza. The correct answer is B. Cholera. Question 54. Which component of blood fights infection? A. RBC. B. Platelets. C. Plasma. D. WBC. The correct answer is D. WBC. Question 55. Which process results in formation of seeds? A. Pollination. B. Fertilization. C. Germination. D. Dispersal. The correct answer is B. Fertilization. Question 56. Which organ helps in excretion of urine? A. Liver. B. Lung. C. Kidney. D. Intestine. The correct answer is C. Kidney.